In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enlarge text on Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, knowing how to adjust text size in Figma is essential for creating professional and readable designs. Let's dive into it, step by step, to ensure you can do this effortlessly every time. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, they all work perfectly fine. In the search bar, type in Figma and hit Enter. Figma is a popular web-based design tool, so it should pop up as one of the top search results. Click on it, and it will take you to the Figma homepage. Once you're on the Figma website, it's time to log in. You might already have an account, but if not, you can sign up quickly. For those of you who already have an account, click the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and you'll be able to access your projects. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your design file. Navigate to the suitable project in your dashboard that you want to work on. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the file you're interested in. Once you locate it, click on it to open. This is where the magic happens. After opening the design file, locate the text layer you wish to enlarge. Text layers typically stand out due to the text they contain, and when you click on one, it will be highlighted or outlined, making it easier to identify. Once you have selected the text layer, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. This is the Properties panel where you'll find the Size input box. This is where we start manipulating the text size. You'll either see an input box or a drop-down menu, sometimes both. If there's a drop-down arrow accompanying the Size input box, click on it to reveal a list of preset sizes. These presets can be a quick way to adjust your text size if you're looking for something standard. Alternatively, if you have a specific size in mind, click directly into the input box and type the number you want your font size to be. For those who prefer a more visual approach, there's also an option to adjust size numerically. Look for a double-ended arrow icon adjacent to the input box. Clicking and dragging this arrow, either left or right, will decrease or increase your text size, respectively. This method allows for finer control and can be great for those meticulous adjustments. And there you have it. By now, you should be able to enlarge text in Figma with ease. This straightforward process is essential for ensuring your designs are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.